welcome back to Chatpi's Hub. Today we are going to learn multiplication tables. The first table is 1 into 1 equals to 1. 2 into 1 equals to 2. 3 into 1 equals 3. 4 into 1 equals 4. 5 into 1 equals 5. 6 into 1 equals 6. 7 into 1 is 7. 8 into 1 is 8. 9 into 1 is 9. 10 into 1 is 10. Now we are going on to the second table, which is 1 into 2, which is 2. 2 into 2, which is 4. 3 into 2, which is 6. 4 into 2, which is 8. 5 into 2, which is 10. 6 into 2 is 12. 7 into 2 is 14. 8 into 2 is 16. 9 into 2 is, 18. And 10 into 2 is 20. Now we are moving on to the third table, which is 1 into 3, 3. 2 into 3, 6. 3 into 3, 9. 4 into 3, 12. 5 into 3, 15. 6 into 3, 18. 7 into 3, 21. 8 into 3 is 24. 9 into 3 is 27. 10 into 3 is 30. Now we are moving on to the fourth table, which is 1 into 4 is 4. 2 into 4 is 8. 3 into 4 is 12. 4 into 4 is 16. 5 into 4 is 20. 6 into 4 is 24. 7 into 4, 28. 8 into 4, 32. 9 into 4. Now we are moving on to the fifth table. 1 into 5 is 5. 2 into 5 is 10. 3 into 5 is 15. 4 into 5 is 20. 5 into 5 is 25. 6 into 5 is 30. 7 into 5 is 35. 8 into 5 is 40. 9 into 5 is 45. 10 into 5 is 50. Now we are going to the sixth table, which is 1 into 6, which is 6. 2 into 6, which is 12. 3 into 6 is 18. 4 into 6 is 24. 5 into 6 is 30. 6 into 6 is 36. 7 into 6 is 42. 8 into 6 is 48. 9 into 6 is 54. 10 into 6 is 60. Moving on to the seventh table. 1 into 7 is equal to 7. 2 into 7 equals to 14. 3 into 7 equals to 21. 4 into 7 equals to 28. 5 into 7 equals 35. 6 into 7 equals 42. 7 into 7 equals 49. 7 into 8 equals 56. 9 into 7 equals 63. 10 into 7 equals 70. Now we are moving on to the eighth table, which is 1 into 8 equals to 8. 2 into 8 equals 16. 3 into 8 equals 24. 4 into 8 equals 32. 5 into 8 equals 40. 6 into 8 equals 48. 7 into 8 is 56. 8 into 8 is 64. 9 into 8 is 72. 10 into 8 is 80. Now we are moving on to the ninth table, which is 1 into 9 equals to 9. 2 into 9 is 18. 3 into 9 is 27. 4 into 9 is 36. 5 into 9 is 45. 6 into 9 is 54. 7 into 9 is 63. 8 into 9 is 72. 9 into 9 is 81. 10 into 9 is 90. Now we are moving to the 10th table, which is 1 into 10, 10, 2 into 10, 20, 3 into 10, 30, 4 into 10, 40, 5 into 10, 50, 6 into 10, 60, 7 into 10, 70, 8 into 10, 80, 9 into 10, 90, 10 into 10, 100. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share.